Hi, Terry Coatney here, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio and in Vienna, West Virginia. And again, thanks for joining me for Coffee with Coatney. Today we're going to talk about something kind of interesting. Show you this right here first. This is a $20 bill. How would you like to be able to take this $20 bill and turn it into 11 $20 bills? I wish I could tell you that, but I can't. But I can tell you something about how you can increase the value of your house just by addressing the curb appeal. And there's probably 10 or 11 things, but I'm only going to address a couple of those things. One is if it needs painted, paint it on the exterior. If the siding needs to be power wash the siding, and don't just stop there. Get the driveway and the sidewalk. Besides the painting and the power washing, take a look at the landscaping. Does it need touched up? Do you need to put some mulch down and so forth? So do that. And then the last one is just make sure everything is clean. And that will really help the house. Oh, I'm going to say one more thing and then I'll get off here. How about taking a look at the front door? That's a big impression. And if it needs painted or refreshed, do what you have to do to make it stand out and give your house some curb appeal. Well, thanks for joining me, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon, and maybe you can figure out how to take your $20 and make it into 11 of them. I can't, but I can tell you how to take care of your house. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.